If you liked the video, please tell us by clicking the like button to encourage us to upload more similar clips.
Is you recording him?
No, that's why I gotta record you. Hi. Ready for it?
Yeah. Power.
1, 2, 3, go. Woo!
Oh.
That's it.
I already can feel power.
New style, 2023.
New style, yeah, that's right.
Move, mate. That's a lot of fucking.
Action. Hey, my friend, if you remember him, he done the haircut, the buzz cut actually twice. How was it?
It was good, yeah.
Love
I
it?
like the experience. It was very different, you know, for beginning. So yeah.
Oh, yeah. So today he came just to fix the fade. He wants to grow the hair a bit
It's
back.
good at the top, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do skin fade, high fade.
It's a high fade, yeah.
So same thing. I'll show you how you do the skin fade with this style. After the buzz cut. So my friend here asked for high fade, so we're gonna start from the corner, zero gap, clipper. Same thing. We start from the corner. How's your day? Busy?
It was good, yeah. Just heading to work soon and same as usual, you know. Yeah.
So you're gonna do the buzz cut again? Future?
Maybe more in a few, maybe next summer, yeah. I usually get it with, you know, when it's very hot weather, you know.
Yeah, I know. I agree with that. The buzz cut's good for.
Yeah.
Buzz cut's good for hot weather actually.
I think maybe once a year, but is good, yeah. Or like whatever, you know, whatever suits you.
You remember first time when you done it?
I remember first time it was good.
Yeah, you said your friend done it or before or?
My friend did it before, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it just for you? Yeah.
Yeah.
I closed the door back in the day, remember?
You did, yeah.
And I opened for you. Was a nice haircut actually.
That's it, yeah.
So same thing from the corner here on another side. So now we will make sure both sides are equal. I think so. And now we make sure everything clean, as we said. Do it again and again and again until we make sure nothing behind. As much you clean it, you clean the steps, the haircut will be extra nice. You don't need to add any colors, you don't need to do any filters. So now we're gonna go to the next step. But before that, always try to clean the hair. So we grab the shaver because my client here asked for skin fade, and we do halfway. shave everything halfway. Always make sure everything clean. Don't go to the next step until you hear nothing from the clipper. So, next step, we grab the trimmer and we hit just between the super zero and the normal zero, just on this line. Don't go too high. By the way, you have to apply the steps even if you can't see any line. So just like make sure where you put the numbers and put it, whether you see something or you don't see anything. And the next step, we will jump 1 inch with the half, which is 0.5 level open clipper, and only 1 inch. That's how you get the fade done, inch by inch. As we said again, you have to make sure, so keep doing it again and again until you hear nothing from the clipper, no any sound to cut. Always clean your clipper and clean the hair. And next step, this line, halfway open and hit on only this line, just before the end, on the middle. We open the clipper again with a half and make sure nothing left behind before we go to another step. After the 0.5, we up with 1.5, which is number 1, clipper level open, and 1 inch, another inch. Always when you cut to the up, because the top long. keep doing it again and again and again. Make sure everything alright, everything clean. Do it X, like right, left, right, left. Now, next step, so we get like the 0.5. 0.5 for the level open and just on the middle, just in between. See, I put the level a bit down to make sure. So, now last step. I like this number actually, which is 0.5 level open to match between the fade and the top, especially when the top long. So you brush it down like that, and you have to use some skills with it, which is you cut the hair stripes. See, just to match. See, striped. Just to match between the size and the fade, especially because my friend here asked to keep the top as it is. He's happy with the top, so he doesn't want to touch it. So you have just to match between the fade and the top. See, you need a bit of skills with that, which is not something easy, but with the practice, everything become easier. Now I'm gonna go back to 1.5, which is I close the clipper and just make sure nothing behind with a bit of touch. I don't press too much. And now just to give it extra arcs, I'm going to use my thinning scissor just to cut the extra hair. See? awesome. Ooh. Nice and easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this haircuts.
Pretty quick too, you know. That's good.
It's just normal haircuts and just normal barber shop. No colors, no filters, no cheating. Happy with it?
Happy, yeah.
Then where is your thumbs up?
I'm so good.
Thanks so much.
First choice barber.